How to download and add custom font to CapCut in iPhone. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome for now. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for DA font. Wait for a while for it to load. Head over to the very first site. It will land you on this page where you'll be able to see tons of different custom fonts. If you want to see more, tap on all the new fonts. After that, from here, you have to select the font that you want to add. Let's say you want to add the last font. Tap on download over here. Now click on save at the bottom. And then tap on save to files. Tap on open in. In here, tap on open in downloads. You will be able to see the zip file of your font. Click on it. Well, the file has been created successfully. Now what you want to do is go back and head over to your application CapCut. From here, select the project that you want to edit. Let's say you want to edit this video. In order to add the new font that you have just downloaded, simply tap on text at the bottom and then click on add text. Click on the fonts and then tap on add font. Click on this plus icon. Head over to Chrome files. In here, you'll be able to see the files that you have downloaded. Click on it. Now simply select this file and then tap on open at the top right corner of the screen. There you can see that the font has been uploaded here. Now with the help of this font, you can write anything you want to and then adjust it anywhere on the screen. Once you have adjusted, tap on export at the top right corner of the screen. Well, it will be saved into your gallery and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add or download custom fonts to CapCut in iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.